Welcome to Milo's Reviews, where the reviews are score. Today's review is over the Dairy Queen Apple Pie Blizzard. There it is right there. Yeah, it's kind of melted because I had to drive it back to the house to do this review, and it started melting on me because it's hot and traffic's stupid. Alright, having said that, the Dairy Queen Apple Pie Blizzard. Not quite as solid as it should be. When they gave it to me, you turn it upside down, like they usually do with blizzards. And here we go. I was mesmerized by the photograph on the menu of this. And let me tell you, just that one bite of melted blizzard is awesome. Wow. They have the cinnamon on the top, they sprinkle on it, real chunks of apple. Wow. 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 Well, I need more napkins. There's actually like little pieces of pie crust in here too. That's awesome. This tastes just like an apple pie with ice cream. This is awesome. Hell yeah, Dairy Queen. Wow. That's all I can say. Do you like apple pie? Do you like ice cream on top of your apple pie? Then definitely go to Dairy Queen and get the apple pie blizzard, because this thing is, hell yeah, baby. This is awesome right here. Wow. I can't stop. I can't stop. Look at it. Wow. It's too good for words. Go get it. It's awesome. That's it for today. Just remember, whatever you do in life, go get the Dairy Queen Apple Pie Blizzard and give it hardcore. Yeah.